The ocean is always moving, shifting, rising, crashing, but every so often it reveals its true fury. From towering rogue waves slamming into cargo ships to powerful surges sweeping across beaches, these rare moments caught on camera show what happens when nature decides to remind us who's in charge. These are some of the most intense waves ever recorded, and you won't believe what people captured just seconds before impact.
Look at this one.
It started as kids playing in shallow water and ended with a full beach evacuation. This clip proves just how fast conditions can turn deadly. Visitors were simply watching the waves when a sudden surge swept an elderly woman off her feet. She wasn't harmed, but the moment quickly cleared the beach. What seemed to be a calm, sunny beach day, gentle waves and blue skies, quickly turned deadly. Never turn your back on the ocean, because in the blink of an eye, peace can vanish, and chaos takes over.
One too many.
Look, she's coming another one more people.
It's going to end up drowning. Get in bad trouble.
She's coming another one.
Oh, good.
Unable to get up, the woman is quickly surrounded with help nearby. Just seconds before an unexpected wave crashes into the boardwalk, onlookers scatter like a scene from a disaster movie.
Oh, shit! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Jesus! Fucking Christ! Run! Run!
A quick public service announcement. If you care about your life, please never do what these guys are doing. Luckily, no one was badly injured.
How fast? How fast?
A man makes a desperate swim toward his drifting boat, but just as he gets close, a rogue wave crashes in and sweeps it away. Miraculously, he survived with no injuries. While standing on the shore, these school kids in Iceland were suddenly hit by a sneaky wave.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! They actually all got swept away. Did you get that on video?
Yeah, but oh my god, we gotta get out of here.
When the ocean is quiet, always be prepared for a surprise. These people weren't. Thankfully, aside from a few bruises and cuts, everyone made it out okay.
Oh, look at this wave.
The big one coming?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude, that shit's huge. What the fuck? Oh my god. Hey, we'll jump down.
Kenny, your phone! Your phone's down!
Kenny's phone is gone.
Hey, that's Kenny's phone! Your phone's gone!
In this video, a girl swims in Kauai's Queen's Bath while massive waves crash above. Viewers look shocked, but her mom had no concern. Just another average day on the island.
Oh my god. What? Oh my god. You gotta be shitting me. No shit. What the? Oh my god.
Watch these boys having a blast in Cabo's massive waves, completely unaware of the danger heading their way.
Guys, get out there!
We're screaming. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's over there? Okay, head came up. Mercy.
Thank you. 5 heads.
Guys, down! Wow!
That's not good. I'm videotaping that.
Oh, are you?
That is not good. Oh, Zach,
Guys!
Steve was down.
Steve, turn around! Turn around, baby! Grab him! Get him!
Good gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Out! Out!
For today's grand finale, watch a cargo ship take on the biggest wave yet. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Elemental Uncut. See you guys next time. Peace.
That's fucking awesome. Just got it. 20 seconds to go. That's fucking awesome. Get the fucking
Happy with that. Nobody Amy's watching this, she'll go mental.